create. Paella de verdura. In essence, this is a vegetarian paella. So how do you clean an artichoke? And I'm going to start with the green peppers. Make sure you peel the carrot. Then cut it in relatively small pieces. Peel a sashimi. And you're going to cut it into small pieces too. Have some asparagus. Small pieces. Not the hard stuff, but the soft stuff on the top. Some green beans, just cut them. You don't want it too big and long. Got a small cauliflower. And I already peeled and cut the artichoke. Garlic. Just cut it into pieces. Just chop it, okay? I like to grate my tomato because I don't like tomato can, sauce in tomato can. So I like a natural. So I just grate tomato. Let's start with medium high heat, medium high. Some extra virgin olive oil. Not a lot, that's about a couple tablespoons, might do. Let me get the thing heat up a little bit. And now the fun starts, my friends, the fun starts. Let me start with the vegetables, la verdura. So I'm going to go with some peas, snow peas. Artichokes. Mix, mix, mix. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the other vegetables. Probably added too much, but I'm going to caramelize it a little bit. Going to caramelize it, okay? If you have too many, just take some out, okay? It's about a couple minutes later, and I do have a lot of vegetables, by the way. Because I use less, much less. Going to open a space here. smoked paprika. It's about a tablespoon for a bit. And a grated tomato. And mix things up. Get that color, the darkness, the smokiness. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the garlic. You don't want the garlic burn. So I'm going to add it. Mix things around. Do this for about a minute. About a minute later, got about 2.5 cups of water, okay? Have the heat high. I haven't added the rice yet, by the way. No rice yet. And then I'm going to let it kind of boil for about 2 or 3 minutes. Couple minutes later, I got some saffron strings. Going to add them. Just a handful. And what I'm going to do now is add the rice. Let me move some of those peppers in the middle too. Time to add the rice. 1 cup, okay? 1 cup. I'm going to start from the edges and work my way in. And this is bomba rice. Bomba rice. Bomba rice can absorb about 50% more the liquid or the water than other rices. Let me spread it out a little bit. And I'm going to leave it at high heat for about 3 minutes, maybe 4. Get that rice rolling, huh? Now that you spread the rice, you don't touch it anymore, okay? Leave it alone. So about 4, maybe 5 minutes later, I'm going to turn the heat to medium, maybe a notch above medium. You're going to notice that the water kind of evaporated. Still kind of some water there, whatever, tomato, whatever. So what you're going to do, you can either let it cook like that longer until it's ready, or do what I do. I get some aluminum foil to centralize this steam, and I cover this baby. I was going to let it go for about 5 minutes and check it just to make sure things are right, okay? Let me see about 5 minutes later. Woohoo! You know what? Let me lower the heat to low and let it go for a couple more minutes. Maybe 3 more minutes. Okay. Here it is. Paella de Verduras. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. You're vegetarian? This is for you.